Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel The Atom Coder. So today I have brought for you basic tutorial on internet protocol. In this tutorial we are going to cover introduction of internet and protocol, then what is internet protocol, about IP address, IP versions and the difference between IP version 4 and version 6, and then types of IP classes, and in the last the distribution of IP addresses. In this we also discuss about public and private IP address. So let's begin. So as you know, internet protocol is a combination of two words, that is internet and protocol. So let's see what is internet. As it stand for interconnected network, that is a network that connects millions of web servers. It means the internet is a worldwide computer network that transmits a variety of data and media across interconnected devices. Whereas protocol, a protocol can be defined as a set of rules determining the formation and transmission of data, or a set of rules that governs data communication. So basically, protocol is a type of language by which computers communicate with one another. So now internet protocol. So internet protocol are called group of rules for exchanging data from one computer to another on the internet and the other network. By the address work you are seeing here, you will understand that the matter is connected to an address, but from which address, let's discuss. So when you connect your computer or phone to the internet, your device is given a special code to identify it on the internet, so which shows your location and network. This code is called IP address or internet protocol address. Now IP versions. So most of people have heard of its version 4 and version 5, but there were 15 versions of it where we are using its two versions, version 4 and version 6, and the rest of versions which are obsolete or reserved. But right now in networking terms or networking, we use only two versions, version 4 and version 6. So let's discuss the difference between IP version 4 and version 6. So IP version 4 has an address of 32 bits, whereas IP version 6 has an address of 128 bits in length. And IP version 4 address is a binary number that is displayed in decimal, whereas IP version 6 address is also a binary number that is displayed in hexadecimal. In IP version 4, fragmentation is performed by both sender and forwarding routers, but in IP version 6, fragmentation is performed by only sender. IP version 4 is slightly less suited for mobile networks, whereas IP version 6 is more suited for mobile networks. IP address classes is divided into different classes based on functions: class A, class B, class C, class D and class A. Whereas class A have range from 1.0.0.0 to 126.255 Similarly, class A is a large network that is equipped with multiple devices, whereas class B has the range of 128.0.0.0 to this, and it supports medium sized networks, whereas class C have the range of 192.0.0 to 233.255.255.255, and it is a small network consisting of less than 256 devices, where class D and class E have range this to this and class E have range this to this, but class D and class E are reserved for multitasking group, and the research and development work is being done. Discuss about how IP addresses are distributed. So each device connecting to the internet has its own unique IP address. But who owns the IP address and who distributes them? So ICANN Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers is responsible for creating and distributing IP addresses. So ICANN is the initial owner of each IP address. From there, IP addresses reach INA, Internet Assigned Numbers Authority, a function of ICANN and responsible for DNS route, IP addressing, and global coordination of other Internet Protocol resources. INA distributing IP address to 5 regional Internet registries, that is RIRs, one for them being ARIN, means American Registry for Internet Numbers. Then IP addresses are distributed to companies such as AS ISP, Internet Service Providers, which provides unique IP address to their clients. Now discuss about private and public IP address. So a public IP address is an IP address that is accessed from the internet. When your computer is connected to the internet, your computer gets an IP address. That IP address is called public IP address. It is a globally unique IP address which is unique in the entire internet network, and without it your computer or device cannot connect to the internet. Now private IP address. It helps to connect your computer to a local area network which is not exposed directly to the internet. As you are using some computers in your home and they are connected to each other networks, then they need on IP address. This is private IP address. In this case, if these computers are to be connected to the internet, then a router is connected to a private network which gets a public IP address from ISP works to connect to internet. Thus, the Internet Information Center, means Inter NIC, has blocked a private IP address range for all organizations. That organizations can use it their internal networks without any cost. And the following range are blocked, reserved for private IP addresses. So there is a different IP address name as IPA, that is automatic private IP address. It is a feature of Windows OS in which DHCP client machine in the networks is self configured for APIPA. When DHCP client machine is booted in any network, it looks at the DHCP server so that a valid network IP address can be found. However, when the DHCP server is not found, the Windows machine returns the IP addresses to the machine from a specified range, which is reserved using the APIPA feature. The IP address range of APIPA is 169.254.20.0 to 169.254.255.255 with class subnet mask 255.255.0.0. According to Microsoft, APIPA service regularly check every 5 minutes DHCP server in networks. The APIPA service stops as soon as APIPA receives the DHCP server, and the APIPA address is replaced with the IP address received from the DHCP server. So hope guys this video is helpful for you. So thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe my channel.